Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei smartwatch. First, you will need to download the Huawei Health app, which is the essential tool for managing your device. Make sure your watch has at least 20% battery life and is turned on. Also, confirm that Bluetooth is active on your smartphone. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful connection, setting the foundation for enjoying all your watch's features. Once the Huawei Health app is open, head over to the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. From there, tap Add Device and choose your exact smartwatch model from the displayed options. Your phone will then search for your watch. When prompted, confirm the pairing request on both your smartphone and your Huawei smartwatch to establish the connection. This usually takes just a few moments. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your smartphone and your Huawei smartwatch. This often resolves minor glitches. Another helpful step is to clear the cache of the Huawei Health app through your phone settings. Also, double-check that the app has all required permissions, such as location and Bluetooth access, enabled on your phone. These simple troubleshooting steps can fix most common connection problems quickly. With your Huawei smartwatch successfully connected, you can now personalize it to your liking. Customize watch faces, manage notifications, and set health goals directly through the Huawei Health app. Begin tracking your daily activity, monitor your heart rate, and analyze your sleep patterns. Your watch is now ready to help you stay active and informed, offering a wealth of features right on your wrist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.